Hello everybody and welcome to the tutorial for Aao Raja.
सारे मुझे बुलाती फिर घर पे बुला के मुकर के जाती तू छत पे खड़ के गाना गाती
कुंडी मत खड़का राजा सीधा अंदर आओ राजा.
As you've seen, this choreography is a sit-down version of Bolly items. It's very interesting in its own way because there's a lot of folk-inspired Rajasthani movements, and it's also clubbed with a lot of arms. So there's times when you're completely static and you're just working with your arms, and there's time when you're doing like really full body aggressive moves. But the vibe of the song is very trancey. It's like, oh, I'm on a vacation, I'm, like at a rave party, like drunk and high out of my mind. I'm having a great time with my friends. I don't see the sun, I just see the lights. It's that kind of vibe. So throughout the dance, I really want you to carry that, oh, I'm at a party, I'm having fun kind of vibe. Yes? For the purpose of this tutorial, this video has been mirrored. So as you learn the choreography, this is your right side and this is your left side. You will also be learning this choreography in sections. So I'm going to teach you one section of the dance. We'll try that to music. Second section, try that to music, so on and so forth till you've learned all of the sections. Also, while dancing on the floor, it's very important to remember your posture because it's easy to just sink in and then sit like this and then do the entire choreography looking like this and then you look clumsy. So throughout the choreography, I want you to remind yourself to lift up and really elevate and engage your abs. And I'm going to help you with it. When I teach you the choreography, I'm going to break down all the parts where you're really going to have to engage your abs and how to do it and where to pull the effort from. Yes? Make sure that you have a mat. This choreography is slightly harsh on the knees and the lower part of your feet. So try and do it on either a mat or a carpet or a towel, just some surface that's between you and the floor. Okay? Once you have your mat, then we are going to begin from here. So you're going to start with your left leg down and your right leg here. Both your arms down. Now even as you lie down, make sure you're lifting up in your abs when you lie down. You're going to pull your body up. You have 4 counts to do that. It's kind of like you're getting up from a yawn. You're going to go like you're just waking up from sleep. Really nice and slow. Very Bolly item-y. Yes, try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will go tuck, tuck, tuck. 5 and 6. Your body will go 5 and 6. So I am going right, left, 6. You will pull your hand and you will go Aao Raja. So come to me. Aao Raja. From there, you will bring your hands to your head. You will go boom, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So with your right leg again, lift up, lift all of this up. Go 1, 2, 3. Aao Raja. And you will slap those hands together. Let's just try that much again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Aao Raja. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg, leg, leg. Aao Raja. Left hand at the back, right in the front. One more time. You're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull up. 2, 3, 4. Right, left hand. Aao Raja. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg, leg, leg. Aao Raja. From here, you have another 1, 2, 3, 4. The only difference is you're really going to hit that 1. So with your arm and your leg, you're going to hit on the right side. You will go 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're just going to circle your arms. 2, 3, 4. Lifting up with your abs. 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. So that beat, tuck, tuck, tuck repeats. So from here, you're going to pull your arms in. You're going to go hit, right, left. Again, your arms were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit, right, left. Aao Raja. So both my arms are cutting into my elbows. Aao Raja. They flip and they go up. From here, you will do right, left, right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Your left hand is gonna go circle out, circle in. And this is quick. You're going right, left, right, circle out, circle in. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, circle out, circle in. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, circle out, circle in. With your arm, that beat repeats. Boom, boom, boom. So you're gonna go boom, boom, boom. So from here, I drop my left elbow down, both my hands fisted onto the left. I go right, left. And then I'm gonna swing my arms to the right side and I'm gonna drop down, Auraja. Okay, let's just try that much. I'm gonna teach you 2 more bars before we finish section 1. Yes, but let's just try that much. Keep stretching your legs throughout this choreography because you don't want your knees and your instep to hurt. So try and keep them flexible as you're dancing. Yes, from the top again. You were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. Ta. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. 1 and 2. Circle out, circle in. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. One more time, slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, center. Auraja. Feel. 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. Arms and arms. Push. Circle. 3, 4. Boom. Right, left. Auraja. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. From there, you're going to resort to Rajasthani movement. Your chest is going to go drop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're going to switch and 4. Bring your left leg in the front. Your right hand comes to your head. Your chest is going to go drop, drop, up. Now watch how I'm sitting. My back is straight. My stomach is sunk in. From here, I'm going drop, drop, up. Auraja. You face in the front. Yes? Drop, drop, up. Auraja. Your arms will go right, left. She sings something, some chat pe aake gana gati, which basically means you come to the roof and you sing a song. So you'll go 1, 2. You'll show me roof, 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 roof. Gana gati. So sing a song, bring those arms in. Gana gati. Boom ha. So what am I doing? I'm lifting my body up. I'm bringing my right knee in and I'm sitting onto my legs. Yes? That's where section 1 ends. So let's just try this much to count and then we'll try it to music. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, ha. Auraja. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. Auraja. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Boom, boom, boom. Circle down and a hit. 2, 3, 4 and a boom, boom, ha. Auraja. Chat pe chad ke gana gati. Ha. Unlike the last count, it's like an afterthought. 5, 6, 7 and 8. You will sit. Okay? Just watch this to music so you understand the timing and all of the hidden beats and then try it yourself.
तू क्या चाहे मुझे समझ नहीं आती, क्यों करके इशारे मुझे बुलाती, फिर घर पे बुला के मुकर क्यों जाती, क्यों छत पे खड़ के गाना गाती।
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा।
Okay, I hope that is feeling good in your body so far. Yes? From there, moving on, things start getting slightly easier after this, bigger movements and slower movements. So you were here, make sure you're stretching your knee and flexing your toe back and forth. You're gonna land up on your knee. She sings Kundi mat kharkao raja, Seedha andar aao raja. So kundi basically means like, you know, those big locks, like literally the thing that you put in and put out, but the big iron ones on the door that you have to kind of bang to open the door. So what she's saying is that you don't even have to knock. You can just straight come in. Yeah, so very powerful. So from here, your chest is gonna go kundi mat. My chest is going right up, down. My left hand comes here, my right hand is gonna make this gesture and come over here as if you're holding the key. And you're gonna go kharkao raja. You're gonna go, no, you don't even need it. Yes, again from the chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kundi mat kharkao raja. Seedha andar. So from here you will go to the camera. Seedha andar. Take the key out. Andar. Aao raja. You're gonna pull with this hand. Aao raja. Bring it back. You have 2 counts to hold. You will go 1 and a 2 and so there's just a feel. You're just coming back. So you did Aao raja. 1 and a 2 and a boom. The right hand comes to the left leg, boom. You will go, you'll hear in the music, she goes, ha, 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 boom. There's 3 of those, ha, 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 boom. So with your hands, you're gonna go ha, to the right, ha, to the left, ha, down. On the 4th one, you're gonna use your hands to push you off the floor, boom. And you're gonna open your legs. So watch me. I am pushing myself off the floor and I'm opening my legs and my hands are going boom. It's a big clap. Yes? So let's just try that much again with the chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kundi mat kharkao raja. Boom. Pull. Aao raja. Slow and a slow and a hand. Ha, ha, ha. Boom. Yes? From there, I want you to use the energy of boom. So right now, just relax because I know your legs are hurting. So just relax to go boom, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. So this is like, you know, knocking on the door. So you're going to knock, knock, knock. And with your body, you're just going to bounce. It's like that, oh, I'm in trance kind of state. So you're going boom. Good. So, kundi mat kharkao raja. And this is happening in that seated position. So you were here, you're going boom. Kundi mat kharkao. On the word Raja, bring your left hand down and you're going to sit on the left side. Raja. Sit on the left side. Yes? Your right leg is going Seedha andar. So watch, I'm lifted up again. My right hand and right knee comes in. Seedha andar. With your head, you're gonna go Aao. Aao Raja. Your left shoulder comes in. Raja. Now this next part is quick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it down for you. But the only way you're gonna get it is if you keep trying it again and again and again, repetition, so it becomes muscle memory for you. Because there's really no time to think in the next 8 counts. So the next 8 counts, he sings Zor laga perfume laga ke mood banao taza taza, which basically means apply some perfume and make sure your mood is fresh. Yes? So from here you will go left to right. So the left hand is on top of the right. You will go 1, 2. Right hand comes on the top. 3, the right hand goes to your head. 4, the left hand goes to your leg. 5, you drop the left hand down. 6, you bring the right hand up. 7, 8, you're going to drop your chest twice. Boom, ha. Yes? Let's try that again. So you did left to right. 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, ha. The speed of this is perfume laga ke. So 1 and 2, perfume. लगा के mood बनाओ ताजा ताजा. You'll drop your chest. Yes? Just try that much from the 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. Slow, slow. 5, arm down. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा. Right leg. सीधा अंदर, head आओ राजा. कौन लगा परफ्यूम लगा के मूड बनाओ ताजा ताजा. From here, your right hand goes down, down, up, in, out. So, right hand is going down, up. The kundi mat khadka comes again. So, you'll go down, up, in, bring your body in. On out, you're going to lift up, out. You're going to balance on your left leg, then go wave and wave. So, my hip is doing a circle from right to left twice. And my hand is coming down my body. Seedha andar aao raja. It's very sensual, very slow. Okay? That's it. That's where section 2 ends. So let's just try that from the Kundi Mat. Yes, you did. Chhat pe chad ke gana gati. Ha! Kundi mat khadkao raja. Seedha andar aao raja. Slow and a slow and a boom, ha, ha, boom. And a kundi mat khadkao raja, seedha andar aao raja. 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6 and a 7, 8. Kundi mat khadkao raja, I and an I. Yes? Watch this section to music and then try it yourself. The trick in this choreography is, guys, because the movements, they're unique, they're different, and they're very quick. So the only way, like literally the only way you're gonna get this is by doing it 10 times to music back to back and helping it become muscle memory. Yes? So don't give up on yourself. You're gonna be fine. You just have to do it in repetition, especially this section. Just isolate the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all of that. Just isolate that and just try that a couple of times and you're gonna be fine. Okay? Section 2 to music.
करके जाती तू छत पे खड़ के गाना गाती
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. फूल बिछा परफ्यूम लगा के मूड बनाओ ताजा ताजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा.
Okay, after this is just party. Like this whole music section, it's just a feel-good vibe. You're just in your zone. You're just having fun, smoking hookah, doing whatever. Just just living your life. Yeah. So you did. Your last thing was Seedha andar aao raja. After that, the count is that happens 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you're done with this whole section, I want you to just relax into the music. So from here you did boom, boom. Just let your body go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just vibe with the music. So you did a 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna pretend as if you're smoking something. So you can have your left hand in front of your face. Your right hand is up and you're going 5, 6, 7, 8. So having the time of your life. 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hands are gonna go to the right side. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I'm doing is up, down, up, down. Yeah, just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my hands on the left diagonal are going right, left, right, 8. On 8, I'm going to face the front with my right hand up, left hand down, both fisted. Yes? So let's just try that. You did the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a ha, and a right. 2, 3, 4, and a left. 6, 7, 8. You're in the center. From here, now learn this step carefully because there's a lot happening. So I'm going to relax my knees right now because guys, I've been doing this for 5 hours right now and my knees are done. So you're here, your chest is going right to left. You're going right to left, right to left. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right to left, right to left. Now as you do this, your arms are moving down and up. Now I'm going to give you options. If you think that this is too much for you, just keep your arms static and do the chest. If you are able to move your arms, then you're going to do boom and boom. Move your arms. If this is easy for you and you really want to challenge yourself, you're going to use your fingers too and you're going to go move and move. So as your chest is moving, your arms are moving up and down and your fingers are moving too. Yes? So you were sitting here. You did aja na 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 aja aja, and a right boom boom boom, and a left 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 boom. Chest and a chest, and your left hand comes up, your right is down. You're gonna go switch up, switch up. So all I'm doing is switch up, da na 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 na. So just slow and slow, slow and slow. You're gonna make this with your hands. So I'm going quick, quick, quick. If you listen to the music, you will hear this ha. It's like a build up. So for that build up, you're going up. Da 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 ha. On ha, you're gonna drop back. Your head drops, your body drops. Yes? Let me just finish this bar and then I'll go over it again. You will go front, front, back, back. 5, bring your left leg down. 6, lift your right leg up. 7, 8, you will place it down. And that's it. That's the end of section 3. Yes? Let's try this section 3 again. This is your main party section. So you really want to relax your body and be in the vibe of the song. Yes? So try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Aja, and a 5, 6, 7 to the right. 2, 3, 4, and a left. 6, 7, 8. Chest and a chest. Switch arms, and a down, and a down, and da na 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 na. Back, front, front, back, back. Sit, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Try this to music. Watch it once so you understand the vibe of the song and understand the counts. It's really this entire section. It doesn't matter which arm comes up first, doesn't come up first. It's more just, you just want to be in that zone. Yes? Watch it to music once and then try it yourself. This is the last section of your dance. You're doing a great job because this choreography is not easy. You're doing a fantastic job with it. Okay? The last part is, this is when Honey Singh comes in and he's kind of just rapping. So all you're doing is, because you ended here, right? In the sitting position. You're here and it's just a bunch of arms. So everything that he's rapping, there is a movement to every line. So it is quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down for you. But once I'm done breaking it down, you have to pause this video and just do that rap part again and again and again till it becomes muscle memory, because it is pretty quick to music. And if you don't have it muscle memory and you spend a second thinking, you've lost all of those beats by then. Yes? So just learn it with me and then practice it again and again. Here we go. He says, "Main tera ja, tu meri ja." So you're gonna go main tera ja. Right, left, heart. You're gonna switch to the left side. The hand comes on your head. You will go तू मेरी जान. You're gonna face forward. Just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा जान, तू मेरी जान. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा जान, तू मेरी जान. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा जान, तू मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. You're gonna go आज. Left hand. The right hand goes boom, up, up, up. So you're gonna go hit, respond, respond. आज निकालूंगा तेरे. Hit right and left. Your chest circles प्राण. Boom, प्राण. Just try those 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा जान, तू मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. Boom, tarara, tere प्राण. From here, she sings तीर लगेगा निशान पे ऐसे. So you're gonna go तीर लगेगा. So I'm making this gesture. My left hand comes in the front, my right goes under, and I pull. तीर लगेगा निशान पे. You're gonna hit. निशान पे जाके. So hit and then catch it in midair. Hit, catch it in midair, head. Boom, jaake. Yes? Just try that again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा जाना, तू मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. तीर लगेगा निशान पे जाके. करूंगा मैं ऐसे. Your right hand goes back. करूंगा मैं ऐसे दबा के. The K is a big beat. So from here my arm is going back, back, back from my chest to out. Boom. I'm going to hit my left. From there, the left hand goes down. You will go Lajasharam ka. Pull it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lajasharam ka. पर्दा हटा के. So Lajasharam ka. पर्दा, 2 fingers, bring your dupatta in. पर्दा हटा के. Push it out. Now circle these arms. रखूंगा मैं तुझे. So from here, arms go back. रखूंगा मैं तुझे. Bring it back. बस रानी बना के. So from here, pull it back. Bas rani. Boom, in, out. Bana ke. Let's just try that much again. Oh, my legs. So I'm gonna keep my legs open for some time. We'll try it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. ना मेरा जाना, तू मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. तीर लगेगा निशान पे जाके. करूंगा मैं ऐसे दबा के. लाज शर्म का पर्दा हटा के. रखूंगा मैं तुझे बस रानी बना के. From there, your hands are gonna go मजा तो ले ले baby. So from here, right and left. मजा तो ले ले baby. आज रात का. Your head is gonna go right to left. आज रात का. बल्ब जगा दे. You're gonna let your arms go. बल्ब जगा दे. 0. Bring your right leg in to go 0. What ka? Ooh! What ka? You're gonna throw your body up. What ka? Yes? Just try that much again. 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं तेरा जानू, तू मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. तीर लगेगा निशान पे जाके. करूंगा मैं ऐसे दबा के. लाज शर्म का पर्दा हटा के. करूंगा मैं बस तुझे रानी बना के. मजा तो ले ले बेबी. आज रात का. बल्ब जगा के. 0 वॉट का. Yes? If you don't have it yet, just literally rewind this section and keep practicing it again and again and again, and you will get it. I promise you. Yes, that's how I got it. I just had to do it again and again and again. Yeah? So once you're here, you're going to continue the same vibe to go Aja. You're just bouncing, the hands are coming down on you. You'll go Dheere, Dheere, Dheere. So right hand opens up and left hand opens up. Bring the left hand in. You're going to drop your hip down, down, down. With your hands, you're going to go Kundi mat khadkao Raja, Seedha andar aao Raja. So 1, 2, 3, 4, in and in. Kundi mat khadkao Raja, Seedha andar aao Raja. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to move your hip to go up and down, up and down. Sit onto your left, you will go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. After this, you freestyle. After this, you just let loose and find your way to end this song. And that's it. That's it. Let's try this last rap section without music first, 2 counts. Then keep practicing it if you have to before you try it to music. Okay? 5, 6, slightly faster. मैं तेरा जा, तू बन मेरी जा. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. तीर लगेगा निशान पे जाके. करूंगा मैं कैसे? दबा के लाज शर्म का पर्दा हटा के. रखूंगा मैं तुझे बस रानी बना के. ना 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 ना. बलब लगा दे 0 वाट का. आजा धीरे धीरे आजा आजा आजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. आजा. And a hip and a hip and a arm, arm, arm out. And then you're on your own. Okay, so watch this section to music and then try it yourself.
मैं तेरा जानू तू बन मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. तीर लगेगा निशान पे जाके. करूंगा मैं वैसे टका के. लाज शर्म का पर्दा हटा के. रखूंगा मैं तुझे बट रानी बना के. मजा उठा ले बेबी आज रात का. बल्ब जगा के 0 वाट का.
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा.
You have successfully learned all the sections. Yes, we're gonna put this all together from beginning till the end. I know it's a lot. I know it's a difficult choreography, but don't give up on yourself. Keep trying it. You will get it. It's just a matter of practice.
तू क्या चाहे मुझे समझ नहीं आती. क्यों करके इशारे मुझे बुलाती. फिर घर पे बुला के बुकर क्यों जाती. क्यों छत पे खड़ के गाना गाती.
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. फूल बिछा परफ्यूम लगा के मूड बनाओ ताजा ताजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा. कनक धीरे धीरे राजा, कनक धीरे धीरे राजा. राजा धीरे धीरे
मैं तेरा जानू तू बन मेरी जान. आज निकालूंगा तेरे प्राण. तीर लगेगा निशान पे जाके. करूंगा मैं वैसे टका के. लाज शर्म का पर्दा हटा के. रखूंगा मैं तुझे बट रानी बना के. मजा उठा ले बेबी आज रात का. बल्ब जगा के 0 वाट का.
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा.
and putting your legs through all this torture. I know the styling for this was unique, so I am really proud of you. Thank you for staying patient through the choreography, patient with yourself, really taking in all the information as you can, and finishing your piece. If you would like to send it to me, feel free to do so. You know where to find me. If you post it on social media, don't forget to tag Swara Dance and Bollywood so I get to see your videos. Again, thank you so much for learning this choreography. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!